Welcome to the CourseX training video series. In this video I am going to show you how to add categories and subcategories to your courses. To add course category, go to left menu and click on course category. Now click on add new category. Now fill all required details like course domain, category title, parent, icon picker, category thumbnail. Click on Submit and your category will be added. You must have to add subcategory to use it in your course. Add a category as a parent category to your subcategory. Once your subcategory will be added, you will be able to use this into your course. Thanks for watching the video.